Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily book Emirates flight online. So all you have to do is head over to emirates.com and right off the bat, you can book a flight. From here, just choose what type of flight you're going to book, if it's return, one way, or multi-city. So from here, just enter in the departure airport or the airport where you'll be coming from. Then next is the arrival airport or the airport you're going to land to. Next is select dates of departure and return. Also select the number of passengers, how many adult or child and infant are going with you. Also choose the flight class, if it's economy class, premium economy, business class, or first class. Then once done, just click on search flights. So here you will see the prices of the flights depending on the dates. Just choose a specific date, then just click on continue. Next is select or choose your outbound flight. From here, just choose your inbound flight, say this flight for example, and the fare benefits per person. Say this for example, we're going to select this. Then once done, just click on continue to passengers. From here, you're just going to need to complete your passenger details. You can log into your account so that the passenger details can be automatically be filled up. So from here, just fill in the passenger details, the title, Mr. or Mrs., first name, last name, and date of birth. Also, the contact details of the passenger, such as contact person, country or territory, email address, and mobile number. Then, once done, just click on Continue to Options. So, from here, you have an option to choose seats starting for $5, and you can also add additional baggage for $63. This is for an additional 5 kilos of baggage only. And from here, you will have an option to pay the travel tax online, or you can also just pay the travel tax at the airport. Make sure that you check these terms of agreement. Then once done, just click on continue to payment. So from here, all you have to do is review your flight details and all the information that you entered earlier is all correct. We have here the pay in full method wherein you can choose your preferred payment method. You also have an option here to pay with Skyward Smiles to reduce the total price or if you want to hold your fare. And from here, all you have to do is choose a payment method. You can pay via credit or debit card through PayPal or Emirates office. And lastly, make sure that you check this box to indicate that you read the agree to terms and conditions. Then once done, just click on purchase now. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!